Okay, people, we are, excuse me, knocking down the texture coat that we blew on with the little hopper. I did it by myself, so you can actually do all this stuff by yourself. There's a little pit bull who's just been trying to push me in the pool. She actually jumped up and with her two paws and almost pushed me in the pool. But anyway, just want to show you, this is a cold day. It's in the 60s. You can kind of see how things are smearing a little bit. Sort of see how that looks. So you need to wait a little longer. You got to wait till the rigidity of the material is correct. If you use the brush and try and you can see the streaks that show up. So you have to wait longer. You can stipple. Sometimes when you have a big job, you run out of time, or you just need to cover ground. So you can stipple it and then come back later and trowel it down a little bit, scratch it down. But just want to show you guys, it's important to let the cement get to the right hardness to cure before you start texture coating. Okay, have a great day. Be thankful, be forgiving. Have an awesome day no matter what. See ya.